Now that you understand the big picture that integration is just summing up tiny parts and finding the antiderivative, let's look at the tools of the trade. We're gonna go through the essential integration formulas that you must know. So grab your notebook and let's start with the most famous one, the power rule. If you have x to the n, the rule is simple. Add 1 to the power and then divide by that new number. So we have x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. For example, the integral of x dx equals x is x to the 1. So we have x to the 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus c. So we have x squared over 2 plus c. Or the integral of x squared dx equals x to the 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. So we have x cubed over 3 plus c. Or the integral of x cubed dx equals x to the 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c. So we have x to the 4th power over 4 plus c. Or the integral of x to the 5th, we have x to the 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 plus c. So we have x to the 6th over 6 plus c. Or the integral of x to the 8th dx, so we have x to the 8 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 plus c. So x to the 9th over 9 plus c. The integral of 1 over x cubed dx. First, let's rewrite 1 over x cubed as x to the negative 3rd. As you know, whenever you move a term from the numerator to the denominator or vice versa, the exponent changes its sign. By doing this, we can easily apply the power rule to solve the integral. So we have the integral of x to the negative 3 dx. So we have 1 over negative 3 plus 1 x to the negative 3 plus 1 plus c. And don't forget the plus c, right? So we have equals 1 over negative 2 x to the negative 2 plus c equals 1 over negative 2x squared plus c. Or the integral of 1 over x to the 5th dx equals the integral of x to the negative 5 dx equals 1 over negative 5 plus 1 x to the negative 5 plus 1 plus c. We use the power rule. So we have 1 over negative 5 plus 1 equals negative 4 x to the negative 4 plus c. And finally answer equals negative 1 over 4x to the power of 4 plus c. Now what happens if there is a number sitting in front of the x, like a coefficient? For example, the integral of 4x cubed dx equals, you can just put them outside the integral sign. So we have 4 times the integral of x cubed dx. So we have 4 times the integral of x cubed dx equals 1 over 3 plus 1 x to the 3 plus 1 plus c. So we have 4 times 1 over 4 equals 1. So x to the power of 4 plus c. That's it. Or the integral of 2x to the power of 7 dx. So we have 2 the integral of x to the power of 7 dx. So we have 2 times, we use the power rule, we have 1 over 7 plus 1 x to the 7 plus 1 plus c. Don't forget the c. So we have 2 times 1 over 8 equals 1 over 4 x to the power of 8 plus c. Or the integral of 1 over 5x cubed dx equals 1 over 5 times the integral of x cubed dx. So we have 1 over 5 times, we use the power rule, equals 1 over 3 plus 1 x to the 3 plus 1 plus c. And finally answer is 1 over 5 times 4 equals 20 x to the power of 4 plus c. That's it. It's very simple. But what about constants? Well, if you're integrating a constant, you just stick an x next to it. For example, the integral of 2 with respect to x is simply 2x plus c. Or the integral of 5 with respect to x equals 5x plus c. But why? Because, for example, the integral of 2 dx equals the integral of 2 dx equals the integral of 2 times x to the power of 0 dx. So we have 2 times the integral of x to the power of 0 dx. So we have 2 times the integral of x to the power of 0. We use the power rule. We have 1 over 0 plus 1 x to the 0 plus 1. So we have 2 times 1 over 1 equals 1, and x to the power of 1 equals x. So the integral of 2 dx equals 2x. Or the integral of negative 2 dx equals negative 2x. And the integral of dx equals, the integral of dx means the integral of 1 dx. So we have the integral of dx equals x. For example, the integral of 2x squared plus x plus 1 dx. When you're facing a sum or difference, remember that integration is linear. This means you can distribute the integral to each term. So feel free to integrate them individually. Just make sure to keep track of your plus or minus signs. So we have the integral of this expression equals the integral of 2x squared dx plus the integral of x dx plus the integral of 1 dx. So we have 2 times the integral of x squared dx plus the integral of x to the power of 1 dx plus the integral of dx. So 2 times, we use the power rule, means 1 over 2 plus 1 x to the power of 2 plus 1 plus the integral of x to the power of 1 means 1 over 1 plus 1 x to the power of 1 plus 1 plus the integral of dx is x plus c. Don't forget the plus c. So we have 2 times 1 over 3 is equal to 2 over 3 x cubed plus 1/2 x squared, 1/2 x squared plus x plus c. Or the integral of 2x to the fourth power minus x squared plus 3 equals the integral of 2x to the power of 4 dx minus the integral of x squared dx plus the integral of 3 dx. So we have 2 times the integral of x to the fourth power equals 1 over 4 plus 1 x to the power of 4 plus 1 minus the integral of x squared equals 1 over 2 plus 1 x cubed plus the integral of 3 dx equals 3x plus c. So finally answer equals 2 times 1 over 5, 2 over 5 x to the power of 5 minus 1 over 3, 3x cubed plus 3x plus c. The integral of 1 over x squared minus x squared plus 5x dx equals the integral of 1 over x squared dx minus the integral of x squared dx plus the integral of 5x dx, right? So we have the integral of 1 over x squared equals x to the power of negative 2 dx minus the integral of x squared dx plus the integral of 5x dx. So the integral of x to the power of negative 2 equals 1 over negative 2 plus 1x to the negative 2 plus 1 minus 1 over 2 plus 1x to the 2 plus 1 plus 5 times the integral of x dx equals 5 times x to the power of 1 equals 1 over 1 plus 1x to the power of 1 plus 1 plus c. So 1 over negative 2 plus 1 equals negative 1x to the power of negative 1 minus 1 over 3 x cubed plus 5 over 2 x squared plus c. So we have negative x to the power of negative 1 equals negative 1 over x minus 1 over 3 times x cubed plus 5x squared over 2 plus c. The integral of 5 over x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 1 dx. So we have the integral of 4 over x cubed equals 4x to the power of negative 3 dx minus the integral of 3x squared equals 3 times x squared dx plus the integral of 5x equals 5 the integral of x dx plus the integral of 1 dx equals the integral of dx, and 4x to the power of negative 3 equals 4 times the integral of x to the power of negative 3, right? So we use the power rule, means 4 times the integral of x to the power of negative 3 equals 1 over negative 3 plus 1 x to the power of negative 3 plus 1 minus 3 times the integral of x squared equals 1 over 2 plus 1 x to the power of 2 plus 1 plus 5 the integral of x dx equals 5 times 1 over 1 plus 1 x to the power of 1 plus 1 plus the integral of dx equals x plus c. So final answer equals 4 times 1 over negative 3 plus 1. Negative 3 plus 1 equals negative 2. So 4 over negative 2 equals negative 2 x to the power of negative 2. Or x to the power of negative 2 equals 1 over x squared. Means x squared minus 3 over 3 equals 1. So we have x cubed. Negative x cubed plus 5 over 2 over 2x squared plus x plus c.